Hello, this is my review on the Fat Gripz product that you put on the dumbbell to make your grip wider. Okay, so this is the product here, the Fat Gripz. Yeah. So when you buy it, this is exactly what you will get. There are two of them. Sorry, there are normally two in a box, but there's two like this. But I've got one downstairs. I only took one off for the purpose of the video. So this is the box that you get. Okay. In all of its dimensions, because as I always say, dimensions are very important. So that there is the size of the box, and there is the product. There, Fat Gripz. I'm from the UK, and when I bought it, I believe it was about £30. There was a different product that was there for about £20, but I personally believe this was a superior product. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual product. Okay, so there we are. Can you see that? How is the light on that? Light might be a little bit. So there, that is the actual product. It says Fat Gripz. There we are. That's what it looks like when you buy it. And in comparison to my, actually, where's my phone? Comparison to my phone. I always use my phone as a good comparison. This is a Samsung S5. There you can see the size of it. Okay, so real up close. There it is. Fat Gripz. There we are. Yeah, like that. Now, when you open it, it peels open here. See, and it's actually, I thought it would be quite loose. It's actually pretty tight. It requires a little bit of strength to get that open. See, there we go. Opening that. It's not easy. It feels like when you release it, it's got quite a strong. It flips down quite strongly. Okay, but a lot of reviews I found they haven't, and it does say Fat Gripz on the top there. But a lot of reviews haven't actually done measurements. So here I have my ruler, so you can see exactly how long it is, because maybe the dumbbell you're using, you don't know if it will fit. So now I'm going to dispel the myth, and everybody is going to learn. Okay, so the actual Fat Grip, here we go. This is a 30 centimeter ruler, so I'm going to do it in centimeters. So from the Fat Grip, from the top, from the edge here to here, you're looking at 12. Here, this is 12.5 centimeters. Now, I just wanna, just so you see I'm being absolutely truthful. So can you see there? 1 centimeter goes all the way along 12.5. Sorry, the light's not very good. 12.5 centimeters. So that is how long the actual the actual Fat Grip is. In the middle of the grip here, it goes in. You see it dips in here? It dips in. It's kind of hard to say exactly how far it dips in, but I would say, can we get the ruler up here for you again? Here we go. Oh. So I'm sorry, the light is not good. Maybe if I move the light back a little bit. The light there is probably, you're probably looking at about 1.5 centimeters. Now, on the inside, because this is important, because it doesn't say this on the website, and it should do. So, from the absolute edge of the Fat Grip, to the middle, like this, you're looking at around 5 centimeters. It's actually about 5.5, although it's closer to 6. Okay, so I'm trying to get it so that you can see. Can you see? Yeah. That's the best angle you're going to get. 5.5. The center is that's a bit harder to see, but from the actual center is probably around 2.5 centimeters. Okay. So just to clarify again, the actual grip in itself is 12.5 centimeters long. Okay, can you see? 12.5 centimeters along. Well, I want to make this absolutely as fair as I can for you, so that you get the maximum information as accurately as possible. 12.5 centimeters across for the fat grip. Okay. Now, here I have a standard. This is a standard dumbbell. This is a York dumbbell. Okay, just a free one like that. Now I'm going to show you how the fat grips attach to the dumbbell. Okay. So as I said, they are quite tight, so it's not the easiest thing to separate. Oh, I should probably give the measurements of this. So the gap here, because this is where you're going to attach the dumbbell. On mine, the fat grip, sorry. So on my dumbbell, from the edge here to the edge here, you're looking at 14.5 centimeters. So that's 14.5 centimeters here to here. Now the inside part, where the fat grip is going to lay, is going to be along here. So that, if I do from here, where the actual grip starts, to here, where the grip finishes, we're looking at around 12 centimeters. Okay, 12 centimeters. So let's put on the grip. So here we go. Like I said, it's not easy because it is actually quite pretty strong. It requires a little bit of strength. As you can see, my forearms aren't as big as they should be. But they will be one day. Not today, but soon. Okay, here we go. Just trying to get this on. So, yeah, it requires a bit of strength to get it on. Okay. Go. Ah! See that? It's on. You see it's on? And then flip snapshot. There we go, it snaps shut. Now, so there's the fat grip on the dumbbell. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, it's loose a little bit. Can you see? See that? We get that as clear and as accurate as possible. So it slides a little bit. So it's not perfect. Okay? So it was 12.5 in the center here, and I forget how long it was, about 15 centimeters. The actual fat grip in itself is 12.5 centimeters. So I'm measuring it. So this is centimeter 1 over here, and this is the edge. My ruler is going this way. So you're looking at about, here we go, 12.5 centimeters. Can you see that? So it is actually, you can see it is actually, where's the edge? Can you see there? Yep. So you see I'm not lying, 12.5 centimeters. Okay. So that's the grip on there. There we go. That's the grip. Looks pretty good. In terms of taking it off, it's not going to fall. It's not going to, if I hold the weight like that, it's not going to fall off that easily. I mean, if you had a lot of weight, it might slip off, but it's not going to fall off too extremely. When you it does say in the packet, it has some instructions on how to hold it. Obviously, if you're curling, so if you're going up, you want to have the brake like that. You want to have that on the bottom here. So you look here at the top, there's no brake. Yeah, so that when you're curling, if you hold it that way, it's not going to drop out because the brake is in your palm. If you're pulling down, then you want to have it the other way. You want to have the brake at the top. But that's pretty obvious, and it is there in the product. So I just wanted to give you guys, if you're interested in buying it, and the Fat Grip is an absolutely fantastic product. 100%, I would give it 5 stars. It's phenomenal. So there we go. I'm going to prove to you that it really is the Fat Grip. So you can see the name. You see it? Across the light. There we are. Fat Grips. Absolutely fantastic product. I would say it's blue, obviously, and it's kind of a rubber. There's no indent. There's no markings on the product. So you see here, it's got like a little grip thing here. There's no grip. It's smooth. I've got I don't know how big my hands are, but my hands they are what they are. You don't expect your hand to go all the way around the grip, because it doesn't. But then when you lift it, I do feel it here quite a lot, and here. Obviously, there's no weights on it, but I can do about 8 of these before I get tired. But then I've got quite small arms, hence why I bought the Fat Grip in the first place. But yeah, I really hope that I've answered everyone's questions fully enough. So yeah, let's get the rule one last time. So the fat grip there, all the way to the end. Fat grip edge to the edge, you're looking at 12.5 centimeters for the fat grip. Okay. So yeah, so, and this here, so it's not a perfect fit because it does slide around a little bit, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So there you are. Those are all the important measurements, I hope. So I would definitely recommend buying the fat grip. It's an absolutely fantastic product. So well done. Good luck.